Welcome to Newmark Motorhome's video guides. I'm going to show you how to use the heating and hot water controls. So to begin with, you press this dial in. The flashing symbol is the one that's selected. So at the moment we've got a camper van with a thermostat in it, which is the heating. So to set the heating temperatures, you click the dial in, turn the dial to the desired temperature. Now that you've done that, the heating will start to heat up the van. So the next symbol along, we've got a thermostat, which is your hot water. So again, to select it, you press the dial in, turn the dial to eco or hot. So we would recommend that you only use hot. Once you've selected that, the symbols will flash at the top. Once it is stopped flashing, it means the water is up to temperature. To select your energy source, you go to the third dial, so you'll see a gas bottle and two electricity symbols. So select that. If you're not at a campsite and you're wild camping, you would need to use the gas. So the gas is the first one. If you are at a campsite and connected to an electric hookup, you would turn all the way over to Elect 2, which stands for electricity. Select that, and then the final symbol we have is of a fan. So when you get in the motorhome up to temperature, we recommend you turn it to high. When you go into bed and you just want to keep the chill off the van, we'd recommend turning it to eco, and that will keep the sound of the fans down. You may find that some of the control panels look different, however the symbols will mean the same thing.